Hello everyone. Yesterday we learned about crop production and management. So today our next part. Leveling. After tilling, the soil is leveled with the help of wooden plank pulled by bullocks. The plank is kept pressed to the ground. Leveling can also be done by a heavy wooden plank attached to a tractor. By leveling, the field gets covered with softened soil. This reduces loss of moisture from the soil. Once the field is leveled, it is ready for sowing seed. लेवल म्हणजे काय? जमीन सपाट करून घेणे, पेरणीसाठी व्यवस्थितपणा त्याला आणणे. दिस रिड्युसेस लॉसेस ऑफ मॉइश्चर फ्रॉम द सॉईल आणि त्यातला ओलसरपणा हा कमी करणं. आणि आता जेव्हा आपण लेवलिंग करतो तेव्हा पेरणीसाठी आपली जमीन तयार असते. सोईंग ऑफ सीड. टू ऑब्टेन अ गुड क्रॉप फार्मर्स हॅव टू procure the right kind of seed. The seeds used for cultivation are especially grown. Great care is taken to obtain healthy seeds of desired variety. It is also ensured that the seeds are free from the seeds of weeds. Sowing is the process of introducing seeds into the soil. Seeds have to be sown at a proper depth. They need the right amount of water and warmth to germinate. They also need air. Farmers sow seeds at a time when the weather is suitable for the seeds to germinate. Once the seeds are sown, they need water. Very little or excess of water damages the seeds. Excess rain can cause waterlogging in the field. Waterlogging removes air from the soil, depriving the seeds of air. If a field remains waterlogged for about 2 to 3 days, most seeds decompose and do not germinate. जर आता आपली जमीन चांगली असेल, तिथे आपण व्यवस्थित जर पेरणी केली तर त्याच्यासाठी आपल्याला हवा, पाणी, ऊन, सनलाईट वगैरे हे सगळं आपल्याला कसं पाहिजे? व्यवस्थित पाहिजे. म्हणजे जितकं आहे तितकंच पाहिजे आहे. जर एक जरी प्रकार त्यामधला जर जास्त झाला, जर पाणी जास्त झालं तर जास्त पाणीसुद्धा आपल्या सीडसाठी नको असते. परत हवा, धूनसुद्धा नको असते. नुसतं ऊनसुद्धा नाही जमत. म्हणजे प्रॉपरली सीड डेव्हलप व्हायला, जर्मिनेट व्हायला सनलाईट, एअर, वॉटर हे कसं पाहिजे? वार्म हे एकदम व्यवस्थित प्रॉपरली पाहिजे. Seeds can be sown in different ways. Some crop seed are sown in the field by simply spreading them manually. Crops such as mustard, bean and spinach are sown in this manner. काही प्रत्येक सीड्स कसं वेगवेगळी म्हणजे बी पेरण्याची पद्धती कशी वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारमध्ये सुद्धा असतात. काही नुसते स्प्रेडिंग करायचे, काही मध्ये मातीमध्ये आतमध्ये टाकायचे. आपण बघूया पुढे. सम क्रॉप सीड्स सच ॲज दॅट ऑफ रॅडिश अँड कॅरोट आर हँड ड्रॉप into grooves made by the plug. The sowing of wheat seeds is done using a seed drill. Most small farmers in India use a simple seed drill attached to the plug. The seed drill is made by connecting a few narrow pipes to a funnel. At the top, the seed placed in the funnel drop into the top. The seed placed in the funnel drop into the furrows made by the plug. The seeds are then covered with soil with the help of a लेवलर्स प्रिपेअरिंग सीडलिंग इन अ नर्सरी. आता नर्सरीमध्ये तयार होणारे सीडलिंग्स बघूया आपण. इन सम क्रॉप्स सच ए पॅडी, चिली अँड ओनियन द सीड्स आर फर्स्ट सोन इन ए सेपरेट प्लॉट कॉल्ड ए नर्सरी. व्हेन द सीडलिंग आर ए फ्यू डेज ओल्ड, they are planted manually in the field. Vegetables such as cabbage, cauliflower, tomato, brinjal and beetroot are grown in this manner. Now irrigation. Irrigation is the process of providing water to a field through man-made methods. It is mainly done through a network of pipes or channels. Canals connected to dams, wells, tube-wells, ponds, lakes and rivers are sources of irrigation. The amount of water required to irrigate a field depends on the type of crop, the prevailing weather conditions and the type of soil. Irrigation and the type of crop. All plants need water to live, but the amount of water needed varies in different types of plants. For example, paddy crops needs plenty of water, whereas a wheat crop needs less water. Paddy is grown in the field that remains submerged in water. इरिगेशन अँड वेदर कंडिशन. आता आपल्याला हवामानाच्या कंडिशननुसार बघायचं आहे इरिगेशन कसं करायचं. वेन द वेदर इज ड्राय अँड विंडी द सॉइल लॉसेस वॉटर क्विकली ड्यू टू इव्हॅपोरेशन. In such conditions, the field has to be watered more frequently. If the weather is humid, the field needs less water. Fields are watered late in the evening to reduce loss of water due to evaporation. Irrigation and the type of soil. The amount of water required to irrigate a field also depends on the type of soil. Sandy soil holds less water. It also loses water quickly through evaporation. The water holding capacity of sandy soil can be increased by mixing manure such as decomposed cattle dung and plant material. Soil containing humus and clay holds more water. It remains moist for a longer time. Traditional method of irrigation. Water from wells, tubewells, rivers, lakes and ponds is lifted by using pumps and taken to the field. Diesel, electricity, biogas or solar energy is used to operate the pump. Cattle or human labor is also used to lift water. The pulley and rahat system are some of the different traditional method of irrigation. Pulley system is the most commonly used method to lift water from. Rahat is the system of several metal containers mixed to a long, strong rope or a chain. It is used to lift water from well with the help of cattle. आता राहत सिस्टीम कोणाच्या सहाय्याने होते? कॅटलच्या सहाय्याने आपल्याला पाणी काढता येते. Traditional method of irrigation makes the soil less fertile. When a field is watered in the traditional way, the land remains flooded with water from some time. Every time the land gets flooded, some amount of plant nutrients along with water percolate deep into the soil. This makes the topsoil less fertile in the long run. Modern method of irrigation. With increase in human population, the water needed to irrigate crops has increased many-fold. Modern method of irrigating plants conserve soil. Drip irrigation is an efficient method of watering plants. It supplies water to plants with the help of pipes. Since water is supplied drop by drop near the roots, most of the water is absorbed. There is hardly any loss of water due to evaporation or runoff. It does not reduce soil fertility because there is no flooding. Drip irrigation saves nearly 50% of water if plants get the right amount of water at the proper time. They grow faster and produce better yield. That is why drip irrigate crops fruit faster and produce a higher yield. This type of irrigation is ideal for growing vegetables, flowers and fruit trees. In the sprinkler system of irrigation, rotating nozzles are attached to pipes at regular intervals. When water is allowed to flow through the pipes under pressure, the water rotates the nozzles and then flow through the nozzles. This method is effective for growing vegetables. It conserves water and is useful in places where there is a scarcity of water. तुम्ही बऱ्याचदा बघितलं असेल शेतामध्ये आजकाल ते पाईप लावतात आणि पाईपमधून काय होतं, पाणी असं स्प्रेड होतं, इकडे तिकडे जात राहते. थोड्या थोड्या प्रमाणामध्ये लांबपर्यंत दूरपर्यंत पाणी जात असते. म्हणजे आपल्याला खूप पाणी पण टाकण्यात येत नाही आणि आपलं जे आपल्या पिकांना जे पाणी पाहिजे असतं म्हणजे ओलसरपणा पाहिजे असतो तो सुद्धा त्यांना मिळतो. म्हणजे जर आपल्याला कमी जिथे पाण्याची कमतरता असेल तिथे सुद्धा ही पद्धत जर यूज केली तर आपल्याला फायदा